On Tuesday, May 15th, voters in the Saratoga Springs School District will have the opportunity to vote on a $15.6 million capital project proposal labeled the Great Outdoors Project. Based on community and stakeholder feedback, this project will include improvements and renovations to all 8 of our schools, as well as Gavin Park, East Side, and West Side recreation parks. No additional new taxes will be levied to support this capital project. The proposed project includes improvements to safety and security features across the district, improved energy efficiencies, and enhancements to our playgrounds and athletic facilities.
So the Great Outdoors Project has something in it for everyone. We met with all 8 school buildings. We also met with community representatives like Pop Warner, Little League, and the recreational department, and got their input on what are the things they would like for the Great Outdoors.
This project will help further the Recreation Commission mission to create fun, safe, affordable activities and to enrich the community quality of life. It is my belief that when parks are renovated, there's a dramatic increase in the park use, as well as the improvements in the perception of our parks being a safe place to have recreational activities.
I mean, the great thing about the project is not only does it affect 75, or more sports teams, it also is going to affect over 2,000 students as a teaching space and a practice area.
Here at Dorothy Nolan, they're proposing 2 new playground structures which will greatly benefit our school. To address school safety, we'll be finishing the perimeter fencing around the whole backyard. The plan also includes an outdoor learning space in our courtyard area. Currently, we have 3 portable classrooms that have been there for a very long time. The proposal is planning to replace those with an outdoor pavilion. Currently, we do not have a space large enough to host our 800 student population. This would be an excellent area for us to gather as a school community.
The Great Outdoors Project is going to benefit the entire community and benefit our student population with outdoor play spaces, outdoor learning spaces, to have a new concession stand here at the high school with new bathroom facilities, new irrigation upgrades here and at the middle school, as well as significant savings through LED lighting in our gymnasiums that could potentially save $26,000 a year.
I believe that all the new additions and in the environment that it will create will really benefit the athletics and all the future students, because even though I know I'm graduating in a couple months and I won't really be able to fully appreciate the effect of this, I know that future students will benefit immensely from this project.
For more information about the Great Outdoors Project, please visit www.saratogaschools.org/capital project.